Hello students and welcome to the grammar class. Today we are going to learn the degrees of comparison. An adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. It is called the degree of comparison of an adjective. Let us do it in detail. What is the degree of comparison? Most adjectives or adverbs have three different forms to show comparison. This is known as the degree of comparison. There are three degrees of comparison: positive, comparative, and superlative. The positive degree is used to describe one item, group, or person. Example: Sia is a good dancer. The comparative degree is used to describe two items, groups, or people. Example: Sia dances better than her sister. The superlative degree is used to describe two or more items, groups, or people. Example: Sia is one of the best dancers I have ever seen. Let us now do each degree in detail. Positive degree: an adjective or an adverb that does not make a comparison is said to be in the positive degree. In other words, positive degree is the normal form of the adjective or adverb. Examples: the house is big. The flower is beautiful. He is a tall student. Positive degree is used to show equality between two things, people, etc. Example: their house is as big as mine. Jasmine is as beautiful as Rose. Jack is as tall as Jill. Comparative degree. Comparative degree makes comparison between two things, not more than two. Than is used in a comparative sentence. Example: a bus is bigger than a car. My mother is taller than my brother. She is smarter than her sister. He is more cheerful than her. Superlative degree. Superlative degree makes comparison of one thing to many other things. A superlative degree expresses highest intensity of quality or quantity of a thing in a comparison to other many things, not one but many other. Words like of and in are used after a superlative degree in the sentence. An article the should be used before a superlative degree when modifying a particular noun. Examples: he is the strongest wrestler. He is one of the most handsome actors of Bollywood. She is the richest woman in the town. There are certain rules that we need to follow while transforming the sentences into positive, comparative, or superlative degree. Let us know what these rules are. Rule number one: when two items or people are compared, a comparative degree is used by putting er to the adjective word in association with the word than. In some cases, more is used. For example, she is smarter than her sister. She is more cheerful than her sister. Similarly, when more than two things or people are compared, the superlative degree is used by putting est to the adjective word, or in some cases, most is used. For example, he is the strongest wrestler. He is the most handsome actor. Rule number two: more is used when you compare qualities of a single thing or a person, even if the first adjective is a single syllable word. For example, the incorrect form of sentence that we usually use, or some people use, is she is smarter than clever. But the correct one is she is more smart than clever. Rule number three: do not use double comparative adjectives or superlative adjectives. For example, the incorrect sentences are these mangoes are more tastier than those. But the correct answer is these mangoes are tastier than those. Rule number four: never use most or more with adjectives that give absolute sense. For example, the incorrect form of sentences, this track is more parallel to that one. And the correct form is, this track is parallel and the other is not. Rule number five: there are a few adjectives that are accompanied by to, like senior, junior, superior, inferior, preferable, elder, etc. Do not use than with these adjectives. For example, the incorrect form of sentence is I am elder than her, and the correct use of the degree is I am elder to her. Second example, incorrect sentence is this car brand is superior than that, and the correct sentence is this car brand is superior to that. Rule number six: when comparing two things, similarity should be there. That is, similar things should be compared. For example, the incorrect sentence is this wall color is more beautiful than the old one. Wall color is compared with the wall in this sentence. And the correct sentence is this wall color is more beautiful than that of the old one. Here, the wall color with another wall color is compared. Rule number seven: when the comparative degree is used in the superlative degree sense, use any other when thing or person of the same group is compared. Example, the incorrect sentence is Reena is smarter than any student of her class. And the correct sentence is Reena is smarter than any other student of her class. Second point, use any if comparison of things or person is outside the group. The wrong sentence or incorrect sentence is Delhi is cleaner than any other city in Bangladesh, and the correct sentence is Delhi is cleaner than any city in Bangladesh. Rule number 8: to show whether the difference between the compared thing or person is small or big, we use quantifiers for the comparative degree of an adjective, such as a bit, a little, a lot, far, much, a great deal, significantly, etc. For example, she is a little more popular than her sister in their school. Australia is slightly smaller than Africa. We don't use quantifiers with superlative degrees of adjectives, but there are certain phrases commonly used with the superlative degrees of comparison. Example: Sanskrit is one of the oldest languages in the world. Siddhivinayak is the second richest temple in India. Rule number 9. While changing the degree of comparison for the irregular adjectives, the word completely changes instead of adding er or est. Examples: She has little milk in the jar. She has less milk than he has. She has the least amount of milk. Few examples of positive, comparative, and superlative degree are given below. There are many, however, only few are mentioned. Angry, angrier, angriest; able, abler, ablest; bad, worse, worst; big, bigger, biggest; busy, busier, busiest; clear, clearer, clearest; close, closer, closest; cloudy, cloudier, cloudiest; clever, cleverer, cleverest; handsome, more handsome, most handsome; beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Exercise question number 1. Identify the degree of comparison of the highlighted adjectives. First, the climate of China is hotter than the climate of Bangalore. Second, she is prettier than her sister. Third, Jane is the brightest student in the class. Fourth, no other metal is as useful as iron. Fifth, Big Boss is the most popular TV show. Sixth, this church is not as big as that one. In all the given sentences, the highlighted words are the degree of comparison, and you have to identify which degree it is in. Question number 2. Choose the correct degree of comparison for the given sentence. First, America is a rich country in the world. We have to choose the superlative degree. There are three options. First is America is the richest country in the world. America is the most rich country in the world. America is richer than any other country in the world. Second, Rishi is smart than any other student in his class. You have to find the comparative form of this sentence. The options are: Rishi is smartest than any other students in the class. Rishi is the most smart than any other student in the class. Rishi is smarter than any other student in the class. Question number 3. Delhi is bad than Mumbai in terms of population. You have to choose the comparative form of the sentence from the given options. The options are: Delhi is worse than Mumbai in population. Delhi is more bad than Mumbai in terms of population. Delhi is worse than Mumbai in terms of population. Question number 4. My sisters are more better than me in studies. Choose the comparative form of the sentence from the given option. The options are: My sisters are much better than me in studies. My sisters are better than me in studies. My sisters are much good than me in studies. Question number 5. Rama's position is more superior than the one held by Shama. Choose the superlative form of the sentence. The options are: Rama's position is superior than the one held by Shama. Rama's position is superior to the one held by Shama. Rama's position is much superior than the one held by Shama. Question number 3. Do as directed. First, Shakespeare is the most famous of all writers in English. Change the sentence into positive degree. China is larger than India. Change the given sentence into positive degree. Greenland is the largest island in the world. Change the given sentence into comparative degree. No other metal is as precious as platinum. Change the sentence into superlative degree. My brother is not as tall as I am. Change into comparative degree. No other boy in the class is as strong as Sham. Change into superlative degree. In all the given sentences, you have to first identify what is the adjective, then you have to identify the degree of the adjective, and with the help of the given rules and the explanation, you can change it into the expected degrees. I hope you enjoyed the topic. Thank you.